Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix audio problem in Zoom app. We are going to try to find a solution for it, and there might be two solutions actually. Now the first one, just go to your app store in your cell phone. Now search for the Zoom app. Now see if your app is up to date. If it's not, update the app. Now secondly, you need to go to your mobile settings. Now once you're in the settings, go to privacy and security. Once you're in the privacy and security, go to the microphone setting. Now once you're in the microphone setting, you would see all the apps that have been allowed to use the microphone. And when you scroll down, you would see that Zoom is not allowed. So you might want to go ahead and allow it. Now once you're done here, go to the Zoom app. Now go to settings and check if your microphone is still on. And these are all the settings that you need to look out for. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.